Put your fingers on my wrists. Or paw in your case, Triggs.
What's supposed to happen?
Just wait. See if you can feel anything under your fingertips.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. I feel a tiny beat.
That's the beat of my heart pumping blood around my body.
Ooh, can I feel mine in my wrist? Yes, I can. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Triggs, feel this.
Oh, what is it?
It's called your pulse.
Do I have one?
Yes, you do, Triggs. Remember when Beth Johnson put her hand behind your elbow? She said she was going to take your pulse. And you asked where she was going to take it to.
Oh, yeah. Put your hand behind my elbow, Maddie.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.
That's incredible, Maddie. Wow, our bodies make so many different sounds.
Our bodies are brilliant. They have so much to say. They tell us all kinds of things in the loudest ways. Excuse me. Hey! Listen to your body talk. Listen to your body rock. From your head down to your feet. Listen to your body beat. We can play our bodies and make all kinds of sounds. Sometimes noise just happens when you're sitting down.
Oops, excuse me.
Hey! Listen to your body talk. Listen to your body rock. From your head down to your feet. Listen to your body beat. Our bodies yawn when we are tired. Our teeth chatter when we're chilly. Our tummies growl when we are hungry. And we laugh when something's silly. Listen to your body talk. Listen to your body rock. From your head down to your feet. Listen to your body beat. Listen to your body beat. Listen to your body beat.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
No, we know. No, we know. No, we don't. No, we know. No, we know. No, we know. We know.
I think you're right, Maddie. You were just like that when you were Sally's age.
I was.
Mm-hmm. You said no all the time. I think you liked the way it sounded.
But Maddie doesn't say no to everything now.
That's because Maddie grew out of the no phase as she learned more words and how to express herself better.
So what you're saying is one day no won't be the only word Sally wants to say.
Yes.
Yes.
She said
yes. Sally, it's amazing what you hear when you really take the time to listen.
Okay, Maddie and Triggs, what do you say to tidying up all these toys?
Well... No, we know. No, we know. we know. No, we know. No, we know. We know. We know. No, we know. No, we know.
Oh, of course we'll tidy the toys, Mrs. S. I was just pretending to be Sally.
No, we know. No, we know. We know. No, we know. No, we know. We know. No, we know. Ooh, okay. I'll give it my best shot. Hey, Dad, can you see we've reached the top? I'm too far, you can't hear. Yodeling brings us together, so Dad can hear me loud and clear. Yodeling is fun. Here's my hidey to you.
That was awesome! Wow, that was amazing, Maddie.
Oh, Maddie, I see something through my binoculars. Woof, woof.
What is it, Triggs?
It's Mr. S. He's coming out of the house. Oh, and he's got binoculars too. Woof, woof. Oh, he's looking at us, Maddie, and he's waving.
Dad must have heard my yodel.
Told you it was awesome. Wow, well done, Maddie.
Oh, Mr. S has gone back into the house.
Aw.
Oh, wait. He's come outside again. And now he has a microphone and his electric guitar.
Why does he have those? He's guitar yodeling.
Radical.
He's going to say something into the microphone.
Hello up there. Great job making it to the top. Triggs, have a doggy bicky or two.
Oh, okay, Mr. S.
Bye.
Just keep breathing, nice and relaxed.
Just keep bouncing, nice and relaxed.
The sound of the ball makes me happy.
Bouncing up and down makes me happy.
Breathing in and out makes me feel calm.
Flipping all around makes me feel calm.
Be in the moment. Keep breathing.
Keep bouncing.
Be in the moment. Close your eyes. Jump in the air. It doesn't matter what you choose to do. Be in the moment. And find the calm inside of you. Close your eyes, jump in the air. It doesn't matter what you choose to do. Be in the moment and find the calm inside of you.
Microwave.
Hey, Mr. Microwave, I didn't know you could talk.
Well, a minute ago you didn't know I could cook a meal from scratch. Are you ready with the vegetables, Mrs. S?
I sure am.
Then here we go. By the way, I can sing as well. Microwave, I am the microwave.
You only use me to pop popcorn and make leftovers hot. But if you got to know me, you'd learn I can do a lot.
Microwave.
He helps me make a meal for you.
Microwave, cooking is what I do. Microwave.
He does so much more than heat. Come on, everybody. Time to eat.
Go on and push the buttons, but I do more than spin. I keep foods fresh and healthy, and in minutes dig in.
Microwave.
I chop, chop, chop them in the bowl.
Microwave. Tasty food is my goal. Microwave.
What he does can't be beat. Come on, everybody. Time to eat.
I can cook corn on the cob and steam up yummy greens. Bake a potato and make delicious beans. I can make all kinds of veggies, a rainbow on your plate. I can cook things up fast so dinner's never late. Microwave.
You do so much I never knew.
Microwave, you make me blush, thank you. Microwave.
You do so much more than heat. Come on, everybody. Time to eat. A healthy baked potato,
Corn on the cob for colour,
delicious leafy green spinach.
and yummy baked beans for protein.
Now that's a feast for all of us.